Tile and Tile Group Images. Neptune DXP24, Open Edition. Adding graphics to a tile can greatly enhance the user experience in the Neptune Launchpad. You can position icons in various ways within the tiles and add images either as backgrounds or inline, above or below the tile title. Tile icons can either be font icons selected from the installed icon fonts using the Neptune Icon Explorer, or the tile icon can be an image file. These tile icon images can be chosen from the Neptune Media Library or from any URL. The color of font icons is determined by the applied Neptune layout and UI5 theme, but this is not the case for tile icon images. While some images work well in both light and dark modes, others may not. For an optimal user experience, you can add a separate tile icon image specifically for dark mode. In addition to icons, you can also add larger images that span the entire width of the tile. These images can be placed above or below the tile title, or used as a background image covering the entire tile. As with tile icon images, you can configure both light and dark mode tile images in the cockpit tile settings. To further enhance the user experience, filters can be applied to the tile images. Options range from more creative filters like grayscale, blur, hue rotation, and inversion, to more practical ones such as brightness and opacity. Depending on your images and Launchpad background, the most effective way to improve text visibility on tile background images is to choose from 4 predefined image masks or apply your own custom gradient. In this example, the same image is used as a tile background for both light and dark modes. By adding an image mask that fades from bottom to top, the tile text becomes much easier to read. Here's another example of how adding an image mask or a filter can improve the readability of tile text. In this case, the brightness filter makes the text appear slightly too dark on the tile images in light mode. To address this, a tile layout with white text has been applied to the tile group, enhancing the clarity and visibility of the text. And now on to tile group images. A tile group can include both a title and subtitle in the tile group header. The tile group header can also be completely hidden. An image can be added to the tile group header to enhance its look and feel. A simple image with a transparent background often produces a clean and appealing effect. Individual images and header heights can be customized for desktop, tablet, and mobile screen sizes. In this example, the header height is reduced for tablet screens, while the image is hidden on mobile devices. Similar to tile images, both light and dark mode images can be added to the tile group header. In this example, a light honeycomb grid serves as the background for the icon in dark mode, while a dark honeycomb grid is used in light mode. To improve the readability of the tile group header text, you can apply an image filter or image mask. In this case, a simple left-to-right image filter works well for both light and dark modes. Here are a few more tile group header images with various image masks applied. The radial gradient ellipse used on the last one is especially striking. There are more options and many more combinations that makes it easy to create a great-looking Neptune Launchpad. The demo Launchpad featured in this video can be downloaded, along with all its artifacts, from the Neptune Marketplace and installed in any DXP24 Open Edition system. Happy Neptuning!